Hello, students. In this video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of data handling. But what exactly is data handling? Well, it's all about gathering, organizing, and presenting information in a way that's easy to understand. Data could be numbers or facts, and handling it properly helps us make sense of it all. One of the best ways to handle data is through graphs and charts. Let's explore three common types. First, we have the pictograph. This is a way to show data using pictures or symbols. For example, if 6 buses run from Dubai to Abu Dhabi on Wednesday, and each bus carries 130 passengers, we can easily figure out that 780 passengers travel on Wednesday. Next up is the bar graph. Bar graphs use bars of different heights to show comparisons between data. For instance, if 30 people like hockey and 10 like golf, the difference is 20 people. And finally, there's the pie chart. This chart is shaped like a circle and divided into slices. Each slice represents a portion of the whole. The size of each segment indicates how much of that part of the pie chart is there compared to the whole. For example, if there are 1,000 people and 360 dislike certain sports, that means 640 people like them. These graphs and charts help us understand data quickly and make it fun to explore. Here's a quick question for you. What does pie chart represent? Share your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for Class 3 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.